This is general parabola. What we have studied is standard parabola when axis of symmetry was x-axis, vertex tangent at vertex was our y-axis, etc. But in general, you can be given a general parabola which is in XOY plane, but not necessarily in standard position. So we should learn how to deal with that. So first problem that I had given was find focus and directrix. Of x square minus 4xy plus 4y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now, we will be able to identify the general degree to equation, whether it is parabola, ellipse or hyperbola or pair of lines. Once we finish ellipse and hyperbola, but h square minus ab is the parameter which will tell you everything about the general degree to equation, and if it is equal to 0, it is parabola. So in this case, you will find that h square minus ab is 0 and hence it is parabola. Eventually, we will solve ellipse and hyperbola also, general equation, but before that, we need to study properties of ellipse and hyperbola, which we are anyway doing. So I give you sufficient time to deal with this and figure out what should be the focus and directrix, and then we will discuss what is the best method, how fast we can do it, etc., and solve one or two more problems. So take your time. Let us understand that parabola is a locus of point whose distance from a fixed point and a fixed line is constant. Constant, fixed. Ratio is 1. Their distances are equal. So suppose if you consider focus as say x dash comma y dash and directrix as ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then in general, by focus directrix property, x minus x dash square plus y minus y dash square, this is the square of the distance from the point, which should be same as square of the distance from the line. Correct? This is square of the distance from line. And now let us try to simplify this and identify what do we mean by the general equation. So just keep watching. I will make some mistakes. You have to correct it. X square plus y square minus 2x x dash minus 2y y dash plus x dash square plus y dash square is equal to okay, a square x square plus b square y square plus c square plus 2ab xy plus 2ac x plus 2bcy, then एवढंच, which implies a coefficient of x square if I want to collect a square plus b square minus a square. So b square x square. Coefficient of y square, if I want to collect, a square b square minus b square is plus a square y square. Now let me collect coefficient of xy. Xy is the only term in RHS. If we bring it to LHS, then we have a square plus b square times 2ab. Somewhere minus sign I have to put. Times xy, correct? We should write term x. So we have term x here and we have term x here. Therefore, if we take minus sign out, we will get 2 into a square plus b square, correct, multiplied by inside bracket x dash minus ac, something like this, times x minus 2 into a square plus b square into y dash minus bc times
सर
y.
सर तिथे ए स्क्वेअर प्लस बी स्क्वेअर इंटू एक्स डॅश मायनस एसी पाहिजे. ते ए स्क्वेअर प्लस बी स्क्वेअर इंटू एसी नाही.
इथे का a square plus b square is multiplier, then you have minus 2, चुकलं ना काहीतरी.
सर ते
Wait. Oh. So a square plus b square into minus x dash or plus x dash, sorry, a square plus b square times x dash to common minus ac, आता बरोबर आहे.
हो सर.
Similarly, a square plus b square times y dash minus bc, and then constant terms. I mean, we are not actually interested in those, but I am just completing job because they are very bad terms anyway. They will not be useful to us, and our terms are really very good, nice looking. So, but let us finish. A square plus b square into x dash square plus y dash square is one constant. Only one constant in RHS minus c square is equal to this is your general equation. This is your general equation of the parabola whose focus is at x dash y dash and whose directrix is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So now we will concentrate on the homogeneous part of this equation. Why is this bracket here? Not required. Okay. If we concentrate on the homogeneous part of this equation, then we have b square x square minus b square x square minus
सर तिथे एक्सवायच्या टर्म मध्ये ए स्क्वेअर प्लस बी स्क्वेअर नको बहुतेक.
तेच झालंय माझं. मी म्हणतो इकडे चुकतंय कसं. दिस इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड ना. ए स्क्वेअर प्लस बी स्क्वेअर मल्टिप्लायर इज ओनली इन LHS. हा आता बरोबर आलं. मायनस 2ab xy प्लस a square y square प्लस समथिंग. is equal to 0. Okay? Now it is looking good. Otherwise, this was very heavy. Is equal to bx minus ay bracket square plus something is equal to 0. So if you complete the square of the homogeneous part of the general equation, you get bx minus y. And suppose we consider that bx minus y is some line with some constant, some c dash. So bx minus ay plus c dash is equal to 0. This is some line, some line. Then what is the slope of this line? Slope of this line is b by a. Oh, and what was our slope of directrix? Minus a by b. So this is very good information that we get. The moment you make the perfect square of the homogeneous part, and it will be a linear equation in x and y, LHS. Constant can be any number, but then you end up getting slope of that line. It is going to be perfect. I mean, this line bx plus ay plus whatever c dash is going to be parallel to the tangent at vertex, no matter where that parabola is, how that parabola is located, because this line is perpendicular to the axis of to the directrix. Sorry. This is axis of symmetry. Slope of axis of symmetry. This is slope of axis of symmetry, and perpendicular to that, which is minus a by b, is your directrix. Understood? I said it wrong in first place. So minus a by b directly you will get, and hence this is axis of symmetry. In our problem, b is 2, so 2x, and a is 1, so 2x, b is 2, 2x minus y. That is how our square will get completed in our problem, and therefore slope of the axis of symmetry two, and therefore slope of directrix is minus 1 by 2. But am I getting slope of directrix minus 1 by 2, or slope of directrix am I getting equal to slope of directrix is minus a by 2, 1 by 2. चुकते का काही
सर
तर
B1
तिकडं
आहे
x
आणि A2
minus 2
बी किती आहे?
B1 आहे आणि A2.
B is coefficient of y. काय गोळ मारतोय मी? अरे मी आज तुमची मीटिंग चालू केली आणि लाईट गेला आमचा, मग बंद पडली मीटिंग, मग माझं डोकं सटकलं. बरं थांबा जरा. आता आपल्याला इक्वेशन दिलेलं आहे x square minus 4xy minus 4 plus 4y square, which I am comparing with. I am supposed to compare this equation. हे मायक्रोसॉफ्ट वाईड वर म्हणजे एक नाटक आहे. कुठे गेलं? इथे. We are comparing these two equations, and therefore b is equal to 1 and a is equal to 2. Correct? Therefore slope of axis of symmetry, that means I am talking about this equation, which is x minus 2y, and therefore slope is minus 1/2. that is slope of axis of symmetry. बरोबर है? ठीक. Slope of axis of symmetry is going to be 1/2, and your directrix is going to have slope -2. That is full and final. Any questions in this? Let me stop recording. Half, that means your axis of symmetry in real XOY plane will look like this. Constant is still not known, but at least we can assume something, and axis of symmetry will be parallel the line of around half slope. This is half, 1 and 2. I mean, it is little less than half. Okay, so what you are supposed to do is, suppose this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis, you are supposed to rotate your x-axis or the entire system by angle theta such that tan theta is equal to half. Okay, and therefore sin theta is equal to, if tan theta is half, sin theta is 1 upon root 5, and cos theta is equal to how much? 2 upon root 5. Okay, and therefore your rotation transformation, if you understand, x is equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. This is our new coordinate, x dash and y dash, after rotating the system. And y coordinate will be x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. Right? You need to remember this, and therefore we should find out what is our x. Our x is 2 upon root 5 x dash minus y dash upon root 5. Correct? And what is our y? Y is equal to, this is x is equal to x dash upon root 5 plus 2y dash upon root 5. So if we replace this in our original equation, we will get rid of xy term, because xy term is essentially because of rotation. So by putting it in the given equation, x square plus 4xy plus 4y square. Now let us slightly simplify this. 2x dash minus y dash upon root 5, and this is x dash plus 2y dash upon root 5. Okay, and hence I will write down the expression x square. So 2x dash minus y dash upon root 5 bracket square, this is our first term, plus minus 4 times 2x dash minus y dash upon root 5 into x dash plus 2y dash upon root 5, that is minus 4xy plus 4y square plus 4 into x dash plus 2y dash upon root 5 minus 6 into 2x dash minus y dash upon root 5. This is 6, not big. Okay. Minus 8 into x dash plus 2y dash upon root 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. Now you can collect x dash square. Collect the terms of x dash square, you get 4 upon 5, and you have something here minus. Okay, now you have to help me because I am becoming very bad in this. How much is coefficient of x dash square here?
सर
हम्म.
आपण हे पॅराबोलाचं इक्वेशन एका दुसऱ्या पद्धतीने पण एक्सप्रेस करू शकतो ज्याने सोपं जाईल. आपण जर का जनरल क्वाड्रॅटिकचं इक्वेशन घेतलं म्हणजे क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनचं असं असतं ना की y मायनस के इज इक्वल्स टू ए इंटू एक्स मायनस एच होल स्क्वेअर. हे जर का आपण यूज केलं तर याच्यात y मायनस के याच्यावर वर्टेक्स आहे आणि एक्स मायनस एच हे ऍक्सिस आहे. तर आता आपण एक्स मायनस एच ला कोणत्याही जनरल लाईननी रिप्लेस केलं आणि वाय मायनस के ला त्याला रेस्पेक्टिव्ह परपेंडिक्युलर लाईननी रिप्लेस केलं तर आपल्याला पॅराबोलाचं एक इक्वेशन मिळेल आणि त्याने आपल्याला डायरेक्टली वर्टेक्स काढता येईल. मग आपण जर का त्या ओरिजिनल पॅराबोलाच्या इक्वेशनला या फॉर्मॅटमध्ये कन्वर्ट केलं तर आपल्याला डायरेक्टली वर्टेक्स मिळतं आणि ते सोपं आहे.
हो, आपण ते करूया. जरा थांब, आता ह्याच्यात अडकलोय त्या आधी मी बाहेर पडतो. दिस इज स्टँडर्ड रोड मॅप विच आय एम टेलिंग यू. And once we are done with this, we will figure out how to do it quickly, and we should be able to do much quickly than what we are doing right now, because we are dealing with general equation right now and solving first problem. So yes, there will be ways and means to do it very quickly, but why am I not getting coefficient of x square correct? करूया, तुला एक्सप्लेन करायला सांगतो मी परत.
सर तुम्ही 4y लिहिले तिथे 4 ते स्क्वेअर आहे 4 वाला टर्म प्लस 4 वाला कोएफिशिएंट वाला टर्म.
इथे
हा स्क्वेअर आहे.
ओके, त्यामुळे -8/5 प्लस 4/5, त्यामुळे तो 0 झाला, प्लस y डॅश स्क्वेअर ची जी टर्म आहे ती येणार आहे -1/5. मग इथे किती येणार आहे -8/5 आणि इथे प्लस 16, बरोबर आहे. 16/5
सर प्लस 8/5 -9.
इथे प्लस 8/5 येणार आहे, मायनस मायनस प्लस 8/5 प्लस 16/5, that is y dash square, plus now y dash term, let us find out x dash y dash, and it is expected that it will get cancelled, so it is 2 into 2 4/√5. Then the term here will be it will be minus na here, -4/5. Here it will be 8 किती 16 4 चौक 16 plus 16/√5. And what will be the xy term here? It is, let us keep 4 outside, then xy term is 4/√5 minus 1. त्यामुळे 4/√5 minus 1/√5 is 3/√5 multiplied by 4, so minus 12/√5. This is our xy term, right? Then what is your x dash? X dash you will generate not in this, not in this, not in this, only in this and this. So it is -12 minus 8. त्यामुळे किती येतोय? -12 minus 8 is -20, correct? Plus y dash, first three terms we don't have y dash, correct, -20/√5, बरोबर. आधीच ते √5 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायला पाहिजे, पण ठीक आहे, सिम्प्लिफाय अँड देन मल्टिप्लाय. सो y dash चा कोएफिशिएंट y dash square, y dash is here minus minus plus 6/√5 minus 16/√5, 6/√5 minus 6/√5 minus 16/√5, that is 10/√5, that is y dash push plus 5, बरोबर आहे, इज इक्वल, रेकॉर्डिंग चालू आहे. So let me write down the simplest expression after multiplying throughout by root 5. We get
Sir, won't it be y dash times minus 10 by root 5?
minus 10 by root 5. 16 plus, I think so, yes, minus 16 plus 6. Correct. So
Okay.
your expression is 5 root 5 times y square, y dash square minus 20x dash minus 10y dash plus 5 root 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is after rotation. You got rid of basically xy term as well as x square term. Okay, now you can make it complete square. So y dash minus 1 upon root 5 bracket square is equal to 4 upon root 5 into x dash minus 1 upon root 5 bracket square. Okay. So this is what is the complete square of this expression, because y square is there. No, not square here. Is this correct now? So this is capital Y square is equal to 4a capital X. Therefore, capital Y is equal to y dash minus 1 upon root 5. A is equal to 1 upon root 5. And capital X is equal to x dash minus 1 upon root 5. Okay, this is after rotation. Now you are translation. So this earlier was rotation transformation. This is translation transformation. And after translation transformation, you everything in standard form, where capital Y square is equal to 4a capital X. Our focus in that case was a comma 0, and our directrix in that case was x plus a is equal to 0. Okay, so now our this x is capital X, the last form. Capital X plus a is equal to 0 is our tricks. So as far as this parabola is concerned, it is y square, capital Y square is equal to 4 upon root 5 capital X, which after rotation and translation becomes whatever is given to us. So now you are supposed to do backward and arrive at your final answer. So what is a here? A is 1 upon root 5 comma 0. This is the focus of your 2 times translated parabola. Capital X is equal to 1 upon root 5 and capital Y is equal to 0. These are the coordinates of your focus, but capital X कुठे गेला आपला? Capital X was x dash minus 1 upon root 5 is equal to 1 upon root 5. Therefore, x dash is equal to 2 upon root 5. And capital Y dash was y dash minus 1 upon root 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, y dash is equal to 1 upon root 5. So we have undone the translation transformation. Now we are supposed to undo the rotation transformation. Okay. So if you want to undo the rotation transformation, then how are you going to go about it? You know what the x dash and y dash is. You should put it. in that equation. सांगा कसं करायचं? You know x dash is 2 upon root 5 and y dash is 1 upon root 5. X dash is 2 upon root 5 and y dash is 1 upon root 5. You want to get x and y. So x is equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. बरोबर आहे? So 2 upon root 5 into what was our cos 2 upon root 5 minus y dash is 1 upon root 5 into our sine was 1 upon root 5. That makes it 4 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5. So your x coordinate of your focus is 3 upon 5. Similarly, y coordinate is x dash sine theta plus y dash cos theta is equal to 2 upon root 5 into 1 upon root 5 plus y dash is 1 upon root 5 into 2 upon root 5 is equal to 4 upon, this is your focus. 3 by 5 comma 4 by 5 is our focus. And let us deal with directrix. Directrix is capital Y square is equal to 4 upon root 5 capital X, but capital Y was Y dash minus 1 upon root 5 bracket square is equal to 4 upon root 5 into x dash minus 1 upon root 5. Right? Do you need to go this way, or once you have your focus you can get the directrix directly? But then this is a formal systematic procedure. So y dash, now let us, you have got the equation of directrix and you are supposed to substitute y dash in terms of x over here, and that is reverse translation, reverse rotation transformation, and then simplify. Okay, so I am tired, you should do it, and the final answer that you get is 2x plus y is equal to 0. Now what is to be done here? You are supposed to write y dash in terms of x sin theta cos theta and y, and you are supposed to write x dash in terms of x sin theta cos theta and y, and then simplify. You will end up getting equation looking like this. This is your directrix, and 3 comma 5 comma 4 comma 5 is your focus. That is the standard decoding the entire general equation by procedure: rotation followed by translation, undoing translation, and undoing rotation. You get back to your correct focus. And now we will see how can we do it very quickly. Next question is x square plus y square minus 2xy. It is easy, really friendly coefficients. Find focus and directrix. Let us check by comparing coefficient. We can do it very quickly, or not. If we are lucky, we will be able to do it. Now x minus y bracket square is a complete square for first three terms, homogeneous part. So axis of symmetry equation will be something like x minus y plus k is equal to 0, and therefore directrix will look like x plus y plus c is equal to 0, right? Directrix. And therefore if this is directrix, then square of this is this, and denominator you will have 2 after squaring, right? And then what we should do is x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square should be equal to this. And I don't know how the students are saying that comparing coefficients we get this, or are we going to compare coefficients? So you have to give something to RHS, you have to give something to LHS. हा बोल मानस कसं केलं त्याच्या पुढे?
सर मग आता ते इक्वेशन येतं म्हणजे अच्छा तुम्ही ते बी स्क्वेअर एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस ए स्क्वेअर वाय स्क्वेअर minus 2abxy minus 2x into a square plus b square x dash plus ac प्लस मायनस 2y ते इक्वेशन येतं तसं आणि मग कम्पेअर केले कोइफिशियंट्स आणि खूप जास्त सिंपल होतं.
Okay. So you mean to say that you are comparing it with, but I was reducing those A B calculations here by.
हा सर मग तिथे रिड्यूस होणारच.
Okay. So let us check. Let us put it in accordingly. Now where is our that equation? Okay. So our A and B are fixed, and therefore what he is saying is coefficient of xy, coefficient of x. Okay, what Manas is saying is this minus 2 times into a square plus b square times x dash minus ac is the coefficient of x, and in our expression coefficient of x is minus 10. You need to compare this quantity with minus 10, and a and b are already known to us. They are equal to what? 1 1 na?
हो सर.
A and B are 1 1. त्यामुळे आपलं काय झालं हे -2 so this is 5. So 1 plus 1 2 x dash minus AC मधला A आहे C is equal to 5. That is what you get, and therefore you put some value of x dash, put some value of C, and try a couple of things. You will end up getting, if you put x dash is equal to 3 and C is equal to 1, then you will get it. And that is x dash is coefficient of your.
सर तिथे a स्क्वेअर प्लस b स्क्वेअर x डॅश प्लस c पाहिजे प्लस ac पाहिजे.
In the our formula plus AC पाहिजे.
हो सर तिथे पण चुकलं.
वरती पण चुकलेलंच आहे. So it should be plus AC here. So if you put x dash is equal to 3, C is going to be minus 1. Bro. So that boils down to just trying some numbers in this equation, which will give you x dash and C directly, and you.
नाही सर 3 इक्वेशन येतं आणि 3 व्हेरिएबल येतात.
No, so this is 1, this is second. इथे पण हा प्लस पाहिजे का?
हो सर.
इथे पण प्लस पाहिजे. So this is second equation, and constant is your third equation. So you end up having 3 equations and 3 unknown. This is one equation, this is second equation, and this is third equation. 3 unknowns and 3 equations. Which 3 unknowns are we talking about? X dash, y dash, and constant C. ABC. Okay, so now you can try using this next problem. Okay, so the answer for the earlier question, focus was 3,2 and directrix was x plus y equals 1. New problem is x square plus y square plus minus 10x plus 26y minus 29 is equal to 0. Find focus and directrix. Okay, so x plus y bracket square. So axis of symmetry has slope equal to -1. Okay, and therefore tan theta equal to -1. Sin theta, tan theta is -1, that means you are talking about rotating it in 45 degrees clockwise direction. Okay, so this is your theta. So your sin theta is going to be negative -1 upon root 2. Cos theta is going to be positive 1 upon root 2. That is the only thing that we want. And therefore, your x is equal to x dash cos theta, that is x dash, minus so plus y dash upon 2, and y is equal to x dash sin theta plus upon root 2. These are your x dash and y, x and y values, which you should substitute in the original equation and simplify, and you should get something like, can somebody tell me directly what is the quadratic equation that you get? Y dash square minus something into y dash minus something into x dash, or maybe plus constant. Can somebody tell me these three brackets so that we complete the square and go ahead? कोणाकडे आहेत का हे ब्रॅकेट्स रेडी? नाही. Nobody has solved it in this way, it seems. Okay, so if you substitute, this is x dash plus y dash. Shall we try to do it? X dash, x square is going to get cancelled, sure. Xy term is also going to get cancelled. Therefore, let us do coefficient of y dash square. So y dash square, but I will have to write it eventually. X dash plus y dash upon root 2 bracket square plus y dash minus x dash upon root 2 bracket square plus 2 into x dash plus y dash upon root 2 into y dash minus x dash upon root 2, that is xy, minus 10x x dash plus y dash upon root 2 plus 26 y dash minus x dash upon root 2 minus 29 is equal to 0. This is your general equation, in which let us, if at all we are doing, then let us do the coefficients all over x dash square coefficient. So here it is 1 upon 2, then x dash square is this into this, that is minus 2 upon 2, that is 1. काय होतंय? X dash square coefficient here is going to be 1 upon 2 minus 2 upon 2. Okay, plus y dash square coefficient here is 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, and y dash here is this into this, 1 into 1 is 1 upon 2 into 2 plus 1, that is y dash square, plus xy term is definitely going to get cancelled, so we need not have to worry. Then coefficient of x dash is going to be 2. X dash is not available here, x dash is not available here, x dash is not available here, x dash is available here, which is minus 10 upon root 2 and minus 26, so minus 36 upon root 2 plus y dash inside bracket minus 10 plus 26, so 16. And then constant term बरोबर चालले का रे? मायनस 29 is equal to 0. Okay, so x square is gone. Coefficient of y square is 2y dash square. If 2y dash square minus, we can absorb this root 2 above, so minus 18 root 2 x dash plus 8 root 2 y dash minus 29 is equal to 0. Right? So we can complete the square now, which is 2. Let us get rid of this 2 also. So y dash square minus 9 root 2 x dash plus 4 root 2 y dash minus 29 upon 2 is equal to 0. So y minus y plus 2 root 2 bracket square is equal to 9 root 2 x dash 9 root 2 x dash plus 29 upon 2 and then you have generated plus 8 here minus 8. This is our after rotation equation. Hope calculations are correct. Okay, and therefore this is capital Y square is equal to what is this? 9 root 2 x dash 16 29 म्हणून 16 गेले 7/2
तर तिथे +8 येणार ना, इकडं प्लस केलं तर तिकडं पण प्लस करता येईल.
प्लस 8. बाकी कॅल्क्युलेशन्स बरोबर आहेत काही ते 16 आणि 29 आणि 16 म्हणजे 35 आणि 45/2 बरोबर आहे. बरं, and then you take out 9 root 2 common inside bracket x dash plus 45 upon 2 into 1 upon 9 root 2. Now 45. Okay. So 9 root 2 into x dash plus 5 upon 2 root 2. I am not sure whether it is going to lead to the correct answer. But those who have done, are they getting these numbers or am I wrong? Okay. Our capital Y becomes y dash plus 2 root 2 and capital X eventually becomes x dash plus 5 upon 2 root 2 and small a is 9 root 2 upon 4, that is small a. Okay, that is what I have written here. So focus is 9 upon 4 root 2 comma 4 after rotation and translation. So this is capital X is equal to 9 upon 4 root 2, capital Y is equal to 0, but capital X is x dash plus 5 upon 2 root 2, which is 9 upon 4 root 2. Therefore x dash is equal to, after simplification you get root 2, and capital Y is 0. Therefore y dash plus 2 root 2 is 0, y dash is equal to minus 2 root 2. So if we substitute those values back into the rotation transformation, then we get x is equal to -1 and y is equal to -3. That happens to be your focus. And similarly, what is directrix here? Directrix in terms of capital letters, x plus a is equal to 0, correct? So our x is x dash plus 5 upon 2 root 2 and our small a is plus 9 root 2 upon 4 is equal to 0. So x dash plus, let us write 2 root 2 in the denominator, which is 9 plus 5, 14 is equal to 0. So x dash plus 7 upon root 2 is equal to 0 is our directrix. X dash is equal to minus 7 upon root 2. But x dash is equal to minus 7 upon root 2 is our directrix after translation is undone, therefore after rotation. Let us put it. So x is equal to minus 7 upon root 2, cos theta is root 2, minus y dash upon minus root 2. That is your value of x in terms of y dash, which after simplification we can write minus 7 by 2 plus y dash upon root 2, and your y is equal to x dash, which is minus 7 upon root 2, sin theta is minus root 2, 1 upon minus root 2, and plus y dash upon root 2. Correct? So now we have these two equations and we should get relationship between x and y after eliminating the stories good and right. We have to eliminate. Now what is this? This equation is minus minus plus 7 upon 2 plus y dash upon root 2. So if we eliminate y dash, that means you should subtract second equation from first or first equation from second. Yes. So y minus x is equal to this minus this becomes 7. That is our directrix. Yes. Finally I could do the calculations. I did not have to underestimate me. A and B, two distinct points. Let A and B two distinct points on the parabola y square is equal to 4x. If the axis of parabola touches the circle of radius r, having AB as a diameter, then slope of the line joining AB is 2010 मध्ये आलेला प्रॉब्लेम आहे. Draw parabola, take 2 points T1, T2 parameters, write their coordinates, find out the center, midpoint of that segment that should be the center of the required circle, and its y coordinate should be such that it should be radius. So T1 plus T2 happens to be the radius and it is not available in first as well as in second quadrant. Therefore plus minus r, slope of any chord is 2 upon T1 plus T2. Therefore required slope is 2 upon plus minus r.